The first piece that we're showing here is what we call our workflow tools. Think of this as your whiteboard. So if you're saying for the first time you're going to lay out an assembly line, a sequence of processes that are going to be carried out, you can draw a box on the board and say, okay, it feeds this one. These three things happen. There's two sub-assemblies that come in from the side or whatever it might be until the product is finished. That's what this tool is, except instead of when you're done, you taking a picture of the whiteboard and that's the end of it, or transfer it into some other system. We actually can extract all the logic needed to create airproofing strategies or drive work orders down a line or whatever it might be, straight from this view. So here, each of these boxes is what we call a process, and we'll click into these and show you what they look like here in a second. But basically, this process is then followed by this one. That has to complete before these three are done. These two are sub-assemblies. So if I expand them, there's more processes inside of them. When they complete, it feeds this, which feeds that, and on and so forth. You don't have to error-proof with this, but if you ever choose to, it's now a one-button click that says this process is dependent on the other. Set that check, and we will make sure you can't, for example, start this process if you haven't finished the one upstream. Subtle little details, but that's how you save time, is the things you're going to do 1,000 times to set up your factory. If we can make each one of them slightly faster than the alternative, you can look back and go, holy crap, that was really fast to set up. And that's our goal with everything. So our whole system, it's all drag and drop. You can rearrange simply with a click. These two are now in parallel. They were in series. I can put them back in series. I can come out of a sub-assembly and move it up to the main line. I can go back into the sub-assembly. You can create other nonlinear flows of where things might enter later in a process. It's a really powerful tool. If you ever want to know more about the details of this, just reach out to our team and we're happy to set up a demo.